Welcome back, guys, CryptoFi channel. Today I would like to show you how you can finally, inside the Jupiter main and the most popular platform on Sol, track the tokens, insiders, devs, the teams using the Bubblemaps. Let's dive in. Guys, finally it's happened. So the most popular platform where everybody swap the tokens and buy the tokens, especially on Sol chain, integrate the Bubblemaps. How to work with the Bubblemaps? How I recommend you go and double check the big playlist about Bubblemaps. And first of all, I recommend you subscribe channel and track the playlist. Second one, create account on a Bubblemaps. Here, the launch platform, create account. It's totally for free. You know, now they launched the version 2 beta with a brand new feature like magic notes and the time travel, and it's just an amazing tool. I will show you how it looks like. And now, finally, if you use so often Jupiter before, guys, highly recommend you now, before you blindly swap the tokens on Jupiter, highly recommend you double check the holders and the Bubblemaps. And now we can track not just the basic holders, and I would like to show you how it looks like. So, for example, we open Jupiter, right? Here's it. Go into cooking, open the list, a list of tokens. Here's a cooking, alpha scan, launch pads, most popular tokens, top traded tokens. Let's open some top traded tokens. This is basically, let's use this Gore one. What a name of the token, a stupid token. Let's check the MOG token. And here's some, like they say, it's organic. Let's double check how this is real organic. So let's say that this is a spider from Pump Fun. All right, so we open the 3 pages. You know, first of all, what you can do, you can just open any token, copy the contract address, go into Bubblemaps and paste it here to double check the data. So here it is on the Solana spider and double check what's going on with this token. Here's the visualization of the holders. So the Jupiter tell us it's organic accumulation, and it looks like it is because all of these wallets, each bubble, it's one single wallet, and connections between the wallet is some on-chain transactions, you know, and we can say looks like organic accumulation. So Jupiter not lying, because if we see some dozens or hundreds not connected wallets, not connected bubbles, it can be just a healthy organic accumulation. We turn on the magic nodes and double see the more connections. Now we see this cluster, 1, 2, 3 wallets hold 4.71%. So basically it's Pump Fun creator. So it's probably the creator of this token. All right, this one is 2.81% of total supply emission in hand of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wallets. So looks real, more or less organic accumulation, normal one. All right, let's double check inside a Jupiter. For example, we open the Gore token. What we can do, basically this is a transactions. So when we open just basic holders, what we can see? We can see just the address number. He owned like 3.3% amount of tokens, balance, value in USDT. The problem is, guys, all of these wallets can be connected, and it can be the one big cluster. It can be one of group of people or some team or insiders, you know, because we can see only the wallet numbers. It's not give us any information. And that's the point when the people analyze the tokens like basic research, do your own research, you know. They track the holders like, oh, just holders 1.6% hold 1.53. So small supply, you know. So there is no insiders. But when we click the Bubblemaps and we can see the connection and it looks like okay. Take a look at the example of MOG token. This looks not organic one. We can turn on the magic nodes and can find, so here, this hold 8.45% of total emission, 3 wallets, 3 addresses. This cluster hold 3.18% of total emission. And this is a 1B cluster directly inside Jupiter, the holders and connection between the holders. But I want to show you one more option to check the time travel. We copy the address, go into Bubblemaps directly on the website, because when you click it inside Jupiter, it's redirect you in application. So here, the mock token, I want to show you how it looks like at the launch day. It's so important to double check how the emission being distributed at the launch day, because this way we can find the insiders, and track their wallets. So this is the current distribution of mock token. A lot of big holders, so this is definitely not a organic accumulation. And we check the launch day. We use the time travel option, choose any specific date what you would like to track, or check the launch day. So this is how the cluster looks like. Just after the months, after the token launched, only one single wallet hold almost 22% of total emission. Over than $500 million USD volume. We turn on the magic nodes, we could track. So after the 1 month of the launch, the clusters hold kind of big amount of tokens. So guys, now I highly recommend you, before you dive into some meme token gamble on Jupiter, I highly recommend you inside Jupiter, double check the holders and track the Bubblemaps. I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check the main playlist about Bubblemaps. Subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.